How you doing, guys? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at an absolutely gorgeous 67 Chevelle SS convertible. This car is painted its original Bolero Red. It has been badged as a 427 car. This car is just beautiful, beautiful car. Got the red interior. It's a frame off nut and bolt restoration. Super slick car. See, all the chrome stainless on this car is just either new or in excellent shape. Got that cool SS hood. All the panel fitment is very nice on the car. Paint is super slick. You can see all the bumpers, all the moldings look like they've either been replaced or they're in just beautiful. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the disc brakes in the front. Now this has just a ground pounding 468 in it. It's a 60 over 454. All been completely redone. See how clean the doors all are? Now that is a retrofit AM/FM stereo with your Ipod connector. You can see the cord to plug into your phone there hanging down below the dash. It's got the bucket seats, got a custom center console that is removable if you don't like it. But it gives you a nice place to put your cup holder, hold your cups, and see, it's got the factory jack and spare. The dash is all really nice. It's got a trio of gauges under the dash. Keep an eye on that motor. It's got the B&M ratchet shifter. Again, this thing is super nice. Every nut and bolt on this car has been redone. The underside of the car is all painted shiny black, as you can see in our pictures. Got the power disc brakes. Got a B-cool aluminum radiator and a shroud and everything. Gorgeous car, guys. This is a factory Bolero Red car with a red interior as well. You can just hear this thing pounding around. And again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.